Previously, when we were doing machine monitoring, there was a lot of labor intense stuff, and we were going back and forth with project managers and having to double enter data, and the operators were having to do a lot of things. And we basically just quit doing it, and it became like is it on, is it off, is it running or not? We knew that we needed to be better at it, but it was just hard to find the bandwidth to be able to have everyone in the shop focus on that. So Greg came by and showed us the software, and he had like a demo page of showing the machine history, and he clicked on what's called the after action report. And the after action report laid out the benchmark cycle time, it laid out the typical cycle time, it showed how long the part was on the machine for and how long it occupied that. So if you wanted to capture the cost of that associated with it, it really just had a lot of information. I know that there's other monitoring softwares that give you a lot of information, but you have to go through and dissect all of it. What Greg showed us was that Datanomix, click 2 buttons and you're there. And it puts all that information in your hands to be able to make decisions about parts.